Everyone, welcome back to the channel here. I'm going to do an unboxing video. I know you guys like an unboxing video here. First things first, before we open these boxes, I want to thank a good friend of mine here of the channel here. He's also a follower, I should say. He actually hooked me up with the Diamond ProTech Pro 60 kit here. So this is the professional grade coating. So he hooked me up with that. I'm not going to reveal who it is because I don't want him to get in trouble for sending this to me, but he hooked me up with Diamond Pro 60, which is a two-part coating. So we'll eventually get to this. I don't know when. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. So first one, I think is pretty obvious, from Dr. Beasley's here. Ordered directly from them. So let's just go ahead and open this. If I can get that. Every time you place an order from them, they give you this little thank you letter here from Jim, just saying thanks for purchasing this thing. And again, if you're not happy with the order, you can send it back. Most cases, you're going to be happy with your order. So I picked up the brand new bead hero. Let's open this up here. So this is a brand new product that they just released, 12 ounces. This is strictly, as it says, it's a hydrophobic ceramic spray. I believe durability, they claim up to a year. Essentially spray on, wipe off type of thing. You can use it as a standalone or as a topper for your ceramic coating or graphene coating, whatever type of coating you have on there. This is a beading type product with a fast sheet rate. That's one of their the things that they wanted to do with that product. And of course the kit came with two towels here. This is a pre-order kit, so I pre-ordered this, and again, you get the two towels with the pre-order kit. So looking forward to trying this out. Again, this is a topper or a standalone spray sealant. Again, it's on the hydrophobic side. Dr. Beasley's is known for sheeting type products, so that's going to be really nice to see. I've seen the water behavior, looks pretty impressive from there, and you get the nice plush towels to use it with. So we'll do that. Next order is from a company you guys are not going to be familiar with. They're a small company. I saw their post. Actually, I saw the post from Matt at Assess Garage on their wheel coating, and I was like, you know what, let me look and research into this. And I reached out to them, and next thing you know, I purchased they're pretty much their whole entire coating lineup, and I'm actually just went with DJ, and I've got approved to apply for their professional grade coating here. So they sent me, actually I ordered, so this is what I ordered here. So this is their wheel coating. This is their glass coating, 30 milliliters each. I forget the price range of those. So the package pretty nice. I will open it. Just give me a second here. They actually sent me their little wheel mitt thing here. That's an add-on to it. You want to put little goodies on there. I see this thing leaked out a little bit. That's okay. But this is their new ceramic spray sealant. Again, Armour Detail Supply is the brand. That bottle looks pretty darn sexy. Looks really nice here. So the video on this thing looks very impressive with the hydrophobic behavior of this. This is a I forget the durability on this thing. Once we get to using it, we'll go through the entire thing here, but ceramic infused type product, very high solid content, so that's why its durability is pretty high. The spray trigger here, and so we're going to go ahead and get to the coatings here. So they have two coatings. Let's see which is which. How does this open? Again, I went through the interview process on the phone with DJ, and so I actually have I can actually purchase and install Armour Pro high solid coating. You can see the kit looks pretty nice too, with the auto fiber applicator. That's what they use, and 30 ml bottle here. They only sell 30 ml because it's a high solid content coating, and so this is the pro stuff. I believe they stated it's a 5-year coating. I'd have to go back and look, but it's such a high solid content coating that it says use within 7 days of opening. So this stuff is really high solid on here. Again, really nice kit. The instructions are on the link here, and here's all the information to apply it. Pretty nice. This has a 1 to 3 minute flash time, so we're going to go ahead and look at that one. And then this is their, actually let me wipe this off here because there's a ceramic spray sealant on the package. So that's the pro grade coating, and I also ordered their consumer grade, which again is still a high solid content. This one's just called Armour here. So Armour, the instructions, it says use within 30 days of opening. Doesn't have as much solid as the pro grade one, and this one's rated at 3 years, and again it comes in a 30 ml bottle because it's a high solid content. They told me you're going to be at least for the pro one that you're going to be, I'm probably going to be using about 2 or 3 of these applicators, depending on the size of the car here, because it starts to set up pretty fast, like 3 to 4 panels. The pro version is going to set up and crystallize in the applicator, so you have to flip over to the side, another 3 panels, switch the applicator, and go from there. So this is a 3-year rated coating, so I'm interested in trying this out. They did mention that this one is a competitor to I forget which one, to Seaquartz Crystal Serum Light from G-Technic. So that's their coatings. The packages are pretty sweet. This is their spray sealant, pretty sweet. I like the green color in the bottle. So we're gonna go ahead and try this. And again, the package for the wheel coating, so I will open it because I am going to use it. And then the box here. This is a heat resistant coating, does it say? So again, this one's used within 30 days of opening. That's opening the bottle. I just want to show you the what comes in here. So you get the instructions in the kit here, all the preparation. You get the small applicator, and 30 ml bottle of the wheel coating here. It says high temp quartz coating. I like their color scheme, black and green type of thing. Like this is like looks cool. And so that's that. Put this applicator back in the bag here. So that's that. And then here's the glass coating. We're gonna open this one up as well. Put it in there. You get the same contents as the wheel coating. You get the instructions, the applicator, and the glass coating there. This one says use within 30 days of opening. So that's this whole setup here. We're going to be trying out all their coatings. I'm going to just pull them out so you guys can see them one more time. There's Armour Pro. And then here's regular Armour. So you guys can actually see that. And then there's ceramic spray sealant as well. So we're going to be trying this whole thing first. I'll probably be getting to the wheel and glass coating first, and then we'll do the pro coating and the regular coating as well at a later time. We're going to be trying Bead Hero as well, and then we'll eventually get to this Diamond Pro 60 coating as well. So we're going to test this out. I need more cars, people. If anybody wants to volunteer their car, reach out to me and we can figure something out. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I want to give you guys an idea of what I have here. Again, I purchased all their coatings. They included the new ceramic spray sealant that they just released, and the little wheel mitt here. I think this is a wheel mitt. Let's check it out. I'll open it. I believe this is a wheel mitt, so just put it in your hand like that. So they sent me these 2 items in the kit. I didn't pay for these. I paid for all this. And then I bought this with my own money, and that included the towels. And then I got hooked up with this one from a friend of mine. So again, I want to thank that person for sending this out to me, and I want to thank the guys over at Armour Detail Supply for number 1, following the channel. So again, thank you, Bradley, for the messages on Instagram. I look forward to trying all these out. I'm sure they're all great. DJ, thanks for the phone call, and I look forward to trying out the Pro coating here. Again, real good stuff here. I think these guys are going to blow up pretty big, so kind of keep an eye on them. Their prices are really good, so stay tuned for all this stuff, and we'll try out Beat Hero as well. All right, so again, thanks for watching. I will catch you on the next one.